Alright guys, after speaking with Jason told me...
What I was going to say before you do this, say take this off and sand this down to get the black off of it.
He told me to take 180 grit and sand down this thing so I didn't have like a rugged plateau, I guess you could say, of fresh paint and go into a rugged area. He basically wanted me to take 180 and smooth it down and then take new blue tape and run a line down here all the way under there. I know my rockers are definitely getting replaced. This has to be repaired. It sucks, but it is what it is. Over years, you guys. 2003 with 130,000 miles, but it's getting a full refurb. I wish I went ahead and I acid dipped, but it is what it is, so I gotta get back to this. Alright, this is where we're at. I went ahead and I actually asked Jason if he had some like caulking of some sort to fill in a crack that actually led down to the legit frame rail itself, pretty much inside here, which will produce rust in the future. So I went ahead and I cleaned it up and I had him caulk it down there. And then there's a spot right here which clearly opened up. So I'm probably gonna have to have him put a little bit more caulking in there. This side also, right there, and then right there. So that side sealed up fine. It didn't leak down. Right now I'm actually gonna be cleaning the engine bay with some stuff. I don't even know where I put it, right there. This is prep ball. It's actually like a grease remover. It actually cleans bare metal really well, so you can go ahead and use primer on it. So that's what I actually did over here, and I already went ahead and I did my tape line. So that's what Jason suggested that I do, which was a good idea. So I banged that out real quick, and I got some stuff right here I gotta go ahead and clean up right there, and then I'm gonna have to wipe it down. But I'm gonna be wiping the whole bay down, so I'm pretty much doing my prep work right now, making sure everything is good to go. Pretty much if any bits of primer was chipping, I'd have to go ahead and remove it. Pretty much like this stuff right here, I'd have to remove that too. I didn't see that. I had to go ahead and put tape in front of that, and I gotta get that bolt out too. That's actually where the shifter comes out of the interior, and then that is a heat shield bolt right there. I gotta take those things out. And this, I don't even think I need that anymore. I can go ahead and cut that off. Alright, I just finished up sanding a few spots, and then I went ahead and I sanded the top hats again where I had a little bit of bare metal showing, and then I cleaned it up. I took rust protection, then went over some bare spots. I fixed up that spot over there. These spots, I'm just letting them dry a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go over with some of this just to seal them, and then when he goes ahead and paints everything with the truck bed liner, it's gonna seal it 110%. I just can't wait to see what it looks like, you guys. It's gonna be amazing. So I'll get back to you guys. Alright, now that my engine bay is 110% scuffed down and cleaned with prep ball, I'm actually gonna be taking this paintbrush and truck bed coating iron armor, which we're gonna be using in the gun. Well, Jason's gonna be using in the gun to spray my bay. But what I'm gonna be doing first is jamming areas where he might not be able to spray. So more or less that means in areas back here, behind these things, pretty much anywhere that I feel like he won't be able to spray, because I might as well do that before he goes ahead and does his thing. So stay tuned. Alright, this is where I'm at so far. I got pretty much every jam that I possibly can get with this paintbrush. And pretty much this is all I'm doing, because it's not gonna look the same when he sprays it with a gun. So I'm just making sure I get every bit of area that the gun might not be able to spray, or he may not be able to reach. So I've been doing this for about 15 minutes now. Got the whole firewall jam area back there, behind the headlight, passenger side, and driver's side, making sure I get up in between the radiator supports where they meet, so I don't see an issue later on. Coming along, not so bad. Pretty much got all the jams. I gotta get up under here. Some areas I can't get to, but it is what it is. Now I gotta do the wheel well inner area right up here. Cause I know that he's not gonna be able to spray with that. Who knows, guys, I might not be able to get it done tonight, but if not, I'll be coming back here on Tuesday. You're welcome. Alright, sadly, we're not going to be able to paint the engine bay tonight because Jason already took off. More or less because, like, I had to do a lot of things to this neon before I could actually say, alright, Jason, go ahead and spray it. Let's just take a look at it. I jammed as much as I possibly could with the paintbrush and the truck bed liner. Now, with the paintbrush, it more or less goes on like paint, but when we spray the gun, it's actually gonna spray exactly like it is inside of my neon, which definitely does not look like it's been wiped on with a paintbrush. But here, you can actually see all the streaking and stuff like that. So even though he went home, I still got to take like my TLC on this because the fact that, yo, when he's gonna be spraying with the gun, I know he's not gonna be able to hit every spot. So I did what I did and it is what it is. So I really do apologize that I had to end this video, but hopefully you guys like my vlog today, being here, doing that to the engine bay, and hopefully tomorrow, Jason can go ahead and spray this while I'm at work, and then he can give me updates and pictures, and hopefully he's gonna take his Android, and go ahead and do a video for me so you guys can actually see this engine bay being painted. If not, it is what it is, and we're gonna have to wait till another day. My next day off is Tuesday, today's Friday, so you know what it is. Until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.